Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aggie and today we're going to be making fried biscuits. Now these are biscuits that you can make in case you don't have an oven, and it's super easy. And therefore, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you're able to refer to this recipe anytime you want to make these fried biscuits.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way.
So you will need 2 cups of wheat flour, half a cup of brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but if you don't have, it's okay, you can use the normal sugar. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half a cup of milk, and oil to fry. So in a clean bowl, you're going to add your butter or margarine, and then you're going to add in your sugar, and then you're just going to mix. And remember that you don't really need to overmix. You just mix until everything is well incorporated. You want it to be a little bit crumbly. So the next step is to add in your vanilla essence, your wheat flour, and your baking powder. And then you're just going to use your hands to mix in slowly until everything is nice and crumbly. So when your mixture is nice and crumbly, the next step is to add in milk bit by bit until when you realize that your dough is not soft but very firm. So the next step, I'm going to transfer my dough on a clean surface, and then I'm going to continue kneading for about 5 minutes. And if you want to know that your dough is ready, is when you sort of poke it with your fingers, it doesn't rise up, the dough just stays the way it is. So the next step I'm going to do is to make small balls out of the dough that I just kneaded. And remember to dust your surface because you don't want the balls to stick on your surface. So for the next step, you're going to need these 3 kinds of spoons. You're going to need them for, for flattening the balls, and you want to create different shapes and different designs for your balls. And you're going to need a drip spoon, a fork, and an egg flipper. If you have any of them, it's okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to flatten the balls with the spoons. The next step is to heat your oil, and then you're going to deep fry your biscuits. and make sure that the oil is not too hot. So the next step is just to fry your biscuits until you get your desired brown color. Everybody has their perfect brown color that they like. And when one side is done, you're just going to flip the biscuits and then fry the other side. As you can see, our biscuits are nice and golden brown. This is my favorite color. I don't know what your favorite color is, and they're ready to remove from the oil. So as you can see, our biscuits are ready and they're nice and crumbly and super delicious, and you can serve this with a hot cup of tea or a cold glass of juice and you're good to go. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime you want to make these crumbly biscuits, you're able to refer to this video anytime. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you're notified. And also don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see.